Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a moving average in TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators, this one. Click on it and type here simple. Okay, moving average simple. Choose this one. And now, as you can see here, this is our moving average. So let's say, for example, you want to make it a 20 moving average. So all you have to do is go to this arrow right here, click on it, and this is your SMA or your simple moving average. Click on the gear icon right here and go to input. And from here, you can make it a 20 moving average. So change the length to 20. If you want to make it a 50 moving average, type here 50. You want to make it a 200 moving average, type here 200. I think that you get the idea. Now we have here style. You can change the color if you want. For example, let's choose yellow. And you can change also the thickness of the moving average. For example, like this. Okay. And after you finish, just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.